Hello!
Hello!
And welcome to My Salsa Home. My name is Daniel.
And I'm Jasmine.
And in today's video, we will give you 4 tips in how to find the one. Let's go!
So we got this question from our student Thomas from our online dance school. So thank you, Thomas, for your question.
Thank you.
And probably you're not the only one having problems with this topic. So let's start with tip number 1.
Find first the beat instead finding the one. So probably you didn't know, but the beat of salsa is 4/4. Yes, 4/4. And 4/4 for us humans is easy to understand. Why? All pop songs, not all, but let's say over 90% of the pop songs are in the same beat. It's 4/4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we salsa dancers, we do therefore the steps. So we step number 1 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. That's it. So first of all, you should try to find the beat. So you can clap to it, snap to it. You can use your head. Okay, first is finding the beat. Okay, finding the beat is so good for you. Okay, so before trying to find one, try first to listen to the beat. As we said, the beat 4/4, and you can count to it. Okay.
Tip number 2 is focus on the structure of the song. So the next step in order to find the one is find highlights in the song and find the changes in the song. Okay, so in a lot of songs, so it's not a general rule, but it's in a lot of songs, it's the case that after 4/8 counts, something changes. So for example, there are coming more instruments to the song, or the singer starts to sing, or the refrain starts, or the background singer starts to sing. So there are a lot of things that could change in a song. But when you notice a change, that is the one. Okay, so try to find out where the song changes, and from there on you can try to count, and then you have your one on the right beat. Okay, so when you can hold the beat from that one, then you can hit every following one.
Tip number 3, just listen to one song which you like. Okay, so if there is a song, a salsa song, which is easy to understand, so you hear the one really strong. So this happens to me when I was looking for the 2, so I was trying to dance on 2. I was looking for a song where I could hear the 2 and the 6 very strong. There are songs, they didn't switch to me, so I was not listening anything. So my partner or my dance partner say, no, this is a good song. So choose your song where you say, this is a great song. Okay, so once you get your song and you say, wow, this is a good song, then listen and listen over and over again. And this brings us also for Jasmine's tip, that you see how the structure change. Yeah, the chorus, the instruments, everything will change always in the right timing. Okay, so listen just to one song you prefer, which is easy to you, will help you in the future, because the structure of salsa is the same. So once you got one song of salsa, this will also help you to understand other salsa songs, salsa music. Okay, so just listen to one song first, and then you will feel more comfortable on the dance floor.
So, and the little bonus for you is this playlist here. So we created for you a playlist on our Spotify account, MySalsaHome. You will find the link in the description. And here we have super easy songs for salsa beginners. So They're easy to understand, you can hear the one very strong, and these songs are really perfectly for you to practice.
Tip number 4, and that's I think is the best, check our classes. Yesterday, Jasmine and I, we have produced a class just about how to find the one. We got 2 examples. There we have used Abre que Voy, which is a really good song for beginners. We have used Hermano.
So to these 2 examples we practice together with you, okay? So we will help you to hear the beat, to hear the structure of the music and finding the one. We give you everywhere tips and everywhere signs to find the beat and the one. And also in the class you will find an explanation of the 2-3 and the 3-2 clave. So also very in detail. And we also give you a little demonstration how to dance on the clave.
On 1 and on 2. And if you want, just share with us if you also had the problem finding the one, or even better, if we have other tips finding the one, then write it down into the comment. So thank you very much and dance to feel the one. Bye bye.